ever. No, the very. Oh wow, registration window. This is awesome.
Linis, dalam no? Oh, the suso. Oh, travel.
We're about to do a coronavirus test, and we are gonna be hopefully okay negative. Because we're not gonna be. I mean, inshallah, we'll be negative, but yeah, that's what I. By the time you guys see this, Daddy knew I got bullet.
Yeah.
So here we go. We are at the Washington Clinic Millennium Hall site. We're gonna do our COVID-19 test, and it will be ready for us in 24 hours, inshallah. Hi, salamnish. Not bad. That was not bad at all. It was a really good juice. Okay, Emma's turn now. So this is pretty cool. It's really nice and organized. They have a registration window. Then once we registered, we came around and they took the sample. So we're now at the sample collection. Now I can breathe. Relieved, we're good. Now we're just gonna go and enjoy Addis Ababa and our next 36 hours, inshallah. Within 24 hours, we should have the test results back. And okay, so we just came to Katinga, I think it's called. It's a restaurant. We're gonna eat some authentic Ethiopian food, and right now we're drinking Novida. So we're waiting for our food. I can't wait. Cool. Oh, this is so good. This is the what?
This is a vegetarian.
Oh no, he lives for this one. So this is how you do it. This is the kids' bowl. Yes. Thank you. That's it. The best half. Wow. So good. What is this one? Kids bowl. Okay. So we came to Tomoca. Oh, there we're having a coffee. No, wait. Let me show you. The best coffee I've ever had, pretty much my entire life. Oh my god, we had a very small cup, as you guys could see, and that cup alone did the trick. Like, now you guys are gonna get the hyper Sahara. Hope you guys are ready. Haven. And that one is wearing a sweater. I don't even know what she's. Why are you wearing a sweater in this heat? recognizes her?
Nobody.
No. Some people will. Snin Talado. If you recognize her, then comment below. Snin Talado. Hashtag Snin Talado. We're Snin Talado. Her name is Snin Talado. You know Snin Talado. See, everybody knows Snin Talado.
Tell me why the other day before we came to Africa Market, one of my students, before I said dismiss the class, call her. Why is Snin Talado? I'm like, what?
So we're going to get a spa. It'll be a nice spa. It's at the Capital Hotel Spa, and yeah, we'll see what's inside. What did he say? The third floor?
Yeah.
Hi. It's kind of dark here, sorry, but we just got here to the spa. So we have a 3:30 appointment. It's 3:25 right now, and we're gonna kind of relax a little bit. Do the whole rock and spa, and yeah, it's gonna be nice because when you come back from Jigjiga, you just need to do it. It's a must. New Year's Eve, the last day of Thursday, December 31st. First let me say I was so stressed out because of the whole COVID-19 testing, and because we're here only for like about 36 hours, I was kind of nervous that we may not be able to get the results back, but I'm kind of relieved a little bit just because since we have, taken the test, alhamdulillah. Yes, we're ready? Okay, so we're ready. Maybe we could do story time later. Okay. Hi guys. So it's been a minute since I updated you guys, but we are back obviously to our hotel. And we're ready to go have dinner. We're having New Year's Eve dinner. Obviously there's not much to do because of coronavirus. It's not like we were gonna do a lot anyway. So we're having dinner at the hotel, and morning. We are waking up to a new year and new things. We just had breakfast. This was so delicious. Chef Henny was so amazing. His food is so good. I would highly recommend if you're in Addis Ababa or if you come through here, if you're gonna be here, you must have breakfast at the Hyatt Regency. They have a buffet breakfast and it's absolutely delicious, mashallah. But yeah, so I'll kind of take you guys with me. It's really hard to record because in Addis Ababa you are required to wear a mask in public places, and so when you're talking it's really hard for me to talk and get good audio. I'm just gonna, we'll just walk and I'll record and vlog at the same time. And another thing I really like about this hotel is that everybody is really good about maintaining social distance and wearing masks. Like even in the elevator, you're required to wear a mask, and you're required to maintain like social distance. Now we are waiting on our ride. So ride is like Uber. We are going to Ilili Hotel, and we're gonna go get our hair done, get manicures and pedicures, and then we'll go back, or we come back, or have lunch outside, or have lunch in the hotel, and then inshallah we'll have to start getting ready to go and pack. And I'm literally dreading that moment. but inshallah, we're just waiting for the ride now. Once the ride comes, I'll show you guys what that looks like. And yeah, this is what the lobby looks like. Super clean and absolutely beautiful. And then there's another lobby over there. And another thing that I really love about this hotel are these beautiful brown pillars that are just all throughout the hotel. I'll show you guys some more when we're going into our room later. But this whole entire area is like the lobby of the hotel, and it's just amazing, super beautiful.
Ethiopia is so beautiful.
Beautiful?
Addis Ababa. Very beautiful.
No.
Very beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah. But konjo no.
በጣም ቆንጆ።
Ah.
Okay. Where are you from?
Too many people in Addis Ababa. Too much cars. Too much makina. በጣም መኪና አለ።
Ah.
Traffic. በጣም traffic.
There's,
Yeah, busy.
Crowded.
Very crowded. Very crowded. Oh. አማርኛ ትንሽ እችላለሁ። ትንሽ በጣም ትንሽ
ግን ያምርብሻል አማርኛ።
English እችላለሁ።
አይ ኦኬ ታይትል ቢት
Little bit.
ትንሽ
እሺ ጥሩ ነው።
ኦኬ thank you.
So we are in this is Kasanchis now, right?
This is Kasanchis.
We are in the Kasanchis area neighborhood of Addis Ababa. It's a really beautiful, nice neighborhood. And I used to live here actually. I used to live like behind that hotel for like 8 months. It was so good. But it didn't look nothing like this. Obviously, there has been a lot of change in the last 7 years since I lived here. It's so nice to see all the change that Addis Ababa has made within this couple of years. It's nice to see like the progress. I mean, it's slow obviously, but it's really good progress. So Africa is popping. Africa is blooming. Blue Hotel in the Kasanchis area. And then that's Intercontinental, right?
Jupiter Hotel,
Intercontinental. Yeah, I remember. Yeah. You know, 7 years when I lived here before, it didn't look like this. So much change. So much change, yeah. So many hotels. Oh. It's
Radical change.
Oh, good.
It's
good. Jupiter Hotel. Right next to the Radisson, and right after that is what's this? Is that that's the Intercontinental. Oh, you have Pizza Hut. That's nice. There's Pizza Hut, guys. For all the pizza lovers, you can find Pizza Hut in Addis Ababa. Amal, Farah, look, there's Pizza Hut right here. Nice. But traffic is so just such a busy city. You'll probably spend a lot of time in traffic when you're trying to go somewhere in Addis Ababa. So you gotta plan ahead and plan for traffic. Nice. Okay, you guys, we are headed to a Yemeni restaurant. We had to, after the spa, we got on another ride, and there's just so much traffic. And so what we did was we got out because the traffic is just crazy. Like, it's standstill, and so it's better to walk to our destination because it's just 2 blocks away. Okay, that's what we're doing. We're gonna have Yemeni food. I'm really excited because I really love the Yemeni restaurants in Addis Ababa. Again, if you're ever in Addis Ababa, you've got to try the local food, of course, but there's also some really decent food that are from other countries. All right. Wow. Kim has that actually. Yeah. No, I'm not. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, thank you. So this restaurant is literally packed with people. So packed. So I'm gonna be a little bit loud just so that you guys can hear me well. So we've got some soup in front of us. Let me show you guys. This is the soup. It comes with all these different sides and some lime. Spice it all up. That has to be included, yeah? So we're gonna spice it up. We're gonna add this, and then add a little bit of this, and then I like to add lime because it just hits the spot with the lime. It's so good. You gotta add so much lime to it. So much lime. Thank you. Oh, perfect. Truno, but I'm Truno. Couple.
Wow. Let's ask him today.
Just do not tag me.
I don't need to be there.
So we are going to collect our coronavirus site, collecting our results. Yes, drive through, yep. And we're just waiting for the staff or whoever is here to give us our certificate. We just got our results back, and alhamdulillah, it says negative for coronavirus gas station. This is all for gas? They're waiting for gas?
Yes.
And those are so... That's a lot of cars waiting for gas. On the street. Yeah. Just got ice cream. Ice cream. Higher? Okay, we're in a bad neighborhood, so I'm just gonna cut this right here. Traffic.
America will drive bullshit. There's no driving in America.
There's no drivers in America. Do you hear that? There's no drivers in America.
Go on this line.
We're having a conversation about how in Addis Ababa, cars can be so close to one another and not like there's no accidents. I shouldn't say there are none, but obviously there are. But you know, they're minimal like accidents, and people are in the tightest of places, and they can still manage to get through, and it's so amazing. Nobody really follows rules, but it all works. It all works. we're just at the lobby. Trying to kill time while we wait to go to the airport. So yeah. And we are finally eating dinner before we go to the airport. And then after that we will...
No, it's windy because Sarah so cheap.
It is kind of windy, yeah. And the view is beautiful. We got little water in behind us. And then the hotel is behind us. Yeah. Just got us some nice blankets. I didn't order. What would you recommend?
Before they taste.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm at Tagalog. Yay!
Okay.
I learned.
Beef wrap, sambusa, burger.
No, it's fine. It can be there.
Chicken skewer.
Yeah.
Sambusa ano?
With lentil, yeah.
With lentil. Like the little tiny ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me do that.
And drink.
But gazgaza noveda. Novida alle?
Novidad.
Eshi. Beradu alle?
Ano?
Eshi. Novida with beradu.
No problem.
Eshi. Batam mazakan ala.
Boy.
Oh, thank you for bringing us. I'm trying. You see me trying. I'm trying to learn Amharic, y'all. So they got us some nice blankets to kind of wrap ourselves in, which is super nice. But yeah, it's very nice. I just love the whole vibe of this whole place. It's an experience definitely because of, you know, just the ambience and the environment you're in. It just puts you in a really good mood. They brought this back like kind of near us because it was kind of windy and this is keeping us warm.
But not the Americans.
There's some more over there. More over here. Okay, so you guys, Amal ordered some really yummy food. Let me show you guys. Snin Talada knows what she needs to order. Talada got shawarma wrap, which is a chicken shawarma. So amazing. Oh my goodness, this is so good. And then she's got lentil sambusas, right? And what's that dip? Hawaiiana? What is it? Well, what do you think about the wrap?
Delicious.
She's enjoying it, but I just had a bite of it and it's so good. And then Farah has a
typical American food.
Typical American food. Look, she's got herself a burger and some nice, so yummy roasted potatoes
And a mojito.
and a non-alcoholic mojito. You gotta say the non-alcoholic.
Right.
What? My food just came. And I got 5 pieces of sambusa, lentil sambusa. So good. And it comes with 2 sauces, so I asked for ketchup and some of this fast dip. And the potatoes come with this nice dip. Sorry guys, I don't have a really good flash. I don't have a flash. My camera over there died. So yeah, good food with good people and a wonderful, wonderful environment and a beautiful country. Yay! Bon appetit! We just got through customs and now we're going through another baggage.